Leaked Tesla Cybertruck video shows smaller than expected Frunk. A leaked video that appears to be shot inside Tesla's Texas Gigafactory shows several Cybertruck pre-production units sitting with their frunks open and the inner lining installed, revealing the true size of the all-electric pickup truck's front trunk. Published by the Twitter user Ray4Tesla. The 8-second-long vertical video also gives a short glimpse of the upcoming EV's suspension in what is seemingly the lowest ride height setting. Previously, spy shots of the yet-to-be-finalized electric truck revealed what seemed to be a pretty spacious frunk. But those images captured initial prototypes that didn't have the final interior liner. So it was hard to get a sense of just how deep the storage area was. Now, though, with this new leak, we can finally see what's under the hood of the Cybertruck. And at first glance, it seems that the front trunk is quite a bit smaller than that of its main rival. The Ford F-150 Lightning, which can carry up to 400 pounds 181 kilograms and has 14.1 cubic feet 400 liters of cargo space. We still don't know the exact dimensions of the Cybertruck's frunk, but a quick visual comparison says Ford has the upper hand on this one. As for the rest of the technical details, we'll have to wait for the official delivery event, which is expected to happen sometime in the third quarter, possibly in September, when Elon Musk should spill the beans on this highly anticipated angular EV. When the pickup was initially shown to the public in 2019, Tesla said it would be available with 3 powertrain options. A single-motor rear-wheel drive variant with 250 miles 402 kilometers of range, a dual-motor all-wheel drive version with 300 miles 482 kilometers of range, a tri-motor AWD trim with 500 miles of range 804 kilometers, and a quad-motor AWD with 620 miles 998 kilometers of range on a single charge. Pricing was supposed to start at just under $40,000, but all these details were removed from the automaker's official website in October 2021. So it's anybody's guess as to what the electric pickup will bring to the table. Source: reposted and summarized from Yulia Nistrin at Inside EVS.